Hey y'all, welcome back to Mima's house. Today it is cold and rainy outside, so you know what that means. It means Mima's gonna make some soup. I'm going to make two kinds of soup. I'm going to make a Zuppa Toscana, which is an Olive Garden kickback, and I'm going to make a curried pumpkin soup. Delicious. Stay with me and let's get to cooking. Okay, we're going to start making our Zuppa Toscana by browning 1 pound of sweet Italian sausage. Now, as that drains on some paper towel, we'll go ahead and put all of our veggies in. And I'll put a list of our veggies here. As those veggies begin to sweat, they will cause those brown bits of yummy to come off the bottom of the pan that came from the sweet Italian sausage. Now I'm salting my veggies just a little bit to add some flavor. Now I'm going to add some chicken stock, a whole carton of chicken stock. Now we'll let that simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now those veggies are all cooked and nice and soft. It's time to add 3 cups of kale. Okay, let's add our sausage back into the pot. We'll stir that in and we'll add our heavy whipping cream. Let's add a little bit of crushed red pepper flakes to taste. Let's stir and cover this and let it simmer for about 10 minutes more. Okay, you want to try the Zuppa Toscana?
Yes.
That's pretty good, you know.
I like it.
Is it good?
See some bread go with it? I bet it's really, really good.
I didn't expect that.
And the
Hot,
bread.
hot, hot.
Now it's time to make the curry pumpkin soup. Here are the ingredients we'll be using. These ingredients will be listed in the description box below. Of course, we'll start by chopping our veggies. heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a heavy bottom saucepan. On a medium heat, we're going to cook these onions and garlic, celery, until the onions are translucent. Now we're going to cook our spices in the oils. This is called blooming. Blooming is when those spices, the flavor of the spices come through so well because they have been cooked. You should smell these spices. Now it's time to add the pumpkin. We're adding 2 cans of pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling, because that has some sugar in it. We just want the straight pumpkin. And if you have pumpkins and you want to cook your pumpkins, I'll link a video up above that I did last year on pumpkins. It's time to add the chicken broth. And if you prefer a vegetarian version of this soup, go ahead and add your veggie broth. I've let this simmer for about 15 minutes. I want to make sure those vegetables are nice and soft, and I've added some butter. I've added a 1/4 cup of butter. But if you want a vegan version, omit the butter and go ahead and add your vegan butter. Hey y'all, so my soup is done, and I'm going to take a taste of it because I want to make sure that all of my seasonings have melded in there. Now, normally I would do a little bit of blending on it, but I want to have a little texture to it this time. So, let me taste. It's hot. Oh yeah, that's gonna warm me up real good. We're going to pair this with some naan bread, garlic naan I'm going to make, and it's going to be delicious. I'm going to show you what it looks like. That and the Zuppa Toscana. Here you go. Mmm. Delicious. Now I'm going to serve this over a bed of rice and a piece of chicken, rotisserie chicken, just regular out of the grocery store, and our soup. We're going to put a piece of naan bread next to it and have a delicious meal. Okay.
So
Rice and
I'm
chicken.
going
Ari's gonna try to.
All right.
Is it good?
It's warm and cozy.
Mmm.
It's good.
Let's see what Peyton says.
This is really good. It's flavorful.
No? Okay, good. Noah's not eating it. He's having lasagna instead.
It's nice on a rainy day.
It is nice on a rainy day.
Cold too.
It's cold, yep. Okay, y'all, so you heard my taste testers. The soup is delicious. So go try it out. It's wonderful on a cold day. Y'all be blessed. Bye. Here are a couple of other videos I hope that you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Be blessed, y'all. Bye.